Hello and welcome to a new video of Sun Nomads. Here are the 10 quick facts about Yucatan, Mexico and Latin America. Enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up and let's get started. Yucatan produces the hottest chili sauce in the world, the habanero sauce. Merida is the safest city in Mexico and the second safest city in the Americas. With 134 miles, Yucatan has the longest underwater cave in the world, which is known as Xcaret. The Republic of Yucatan existed for about 8 years. The Yucatan Peninsula tried several times to become independent, and during the years 1841 and 1848 it actually became a republic of its own. Yucatan has the oldest church in America. Established between 1562 and 1599, the Cathedral of San Ildefonso in Merida is the oldest in America. The meteorite that created Chicxulub killed the dinosaurs several millions of years ago. In Yucatan, people prefer hammocks over beds. People used to sleep during the hottest nights. They say that you haven't been in Yucatan if you haven't slept in a hammock. Among all Mexican states, Yucatan has the highest percentage of indigenous language speakers, over 30%. Mayas invented gum dating 4,000 years ago in Playa Delfines. From the late 1800s to the 1920s, Merida was one of the richest cities in the world, as it was the leading producer of henequen, a plant that is used to make ropes. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos and don't forget to subscribe. See you!